Hi, my name is Per Robert and I'm sitting in a garden in New Delhi, in India, and I want to show you a film today. You will first select what to do, your business idea and model, and I will just give a few examples. Buy products from the stock. This is an option where you take what is ready. Manufacture as per your own design with your brand. Or do both. Buy products from stock. It's easy to buy products from stock as they are in stock and it's easy to pick them up. You select what you want from there and you get what you want from what's in stock. Delivery is quite fast. It's only time for the products to be packed and shipped to you unless there is a specific date for the shipment. But you can only get what's in stock at the time of purchase. Because if their products, for instance, is finished or something, then you can't get it again. Maybe you have sold already many of them and you want a few more and you can't do anything about it when it's finished. Or you give the delivery on a given date. Let's say you visit someone and say we will have stock from so-and-so date. That's also an option how you can get it, but you can only get them as per the rules of the stockholder. Surplus stock is a special thing. That means products that someone has bought but couldn't sell for some reason, or they are too old, or they are having some issues. Maybe they have the wrong color or something. And then to buy surplus stock is normally cheaper than buying ordinary stock. And it can be a good business idea if you want to have lower price. Manufacture as per your design with your brand. It's not easy. Let's be clear of that. Many people want to start a company and have their own brand and their own design, and they seem to have no idea that this is a complex thing to do. Not easy at all. It takes time. Big companies may start 2 years in advance to plan a product, and before everything has gone through and it's been manufactured and shipped, it can take 2 years. For you, it will go faster if you normally, but less than 3 months you should not think it takes for the first order. You can get what you want and you can repeat. This is the advantage. You make the design, you select the variables, and you can repeat it because we will have all the details of how it was made, so it can be made again. Learn more from our website and our info, and there is a lot you need to learn to do this. Business idea. First of all, you must have a unique idea. In one way or another, you must be unique. If you have a physical shop in a small village, then it might be enough that no one else is selling the same products as you in that village. Then you can go ahead, maybe, if you think you can sell enough. But if you want to open a web shop on internet, which have competition from all over the world, then really you should be special. Example of uniqueness could be that you are producing garments for women who are expecting a child, or only for fishermen, or that you're doing jewelry with a special purpose or origin or whatever it is. There are so many things you can make you unique, but you have to see that you are unique. Your business idea should be good for your customers, not for yourself. Of course, you should like to do what you are going to do. You should be enthusiastic about it, important. But it's your customers' need and interest to buy that should govern what you are selecting to do. Otherwise, you will have something that you like to do, but you will not sell much. It's only after understanding the market and seeing a need that you will be able to put up a business idea that will work fine. Finally, you must be able to market and sell. Many people doesn't like marketing, don't know how to market and don't know how to sell or don't like it. Fine, then you must have some colleague or partner or some channel out who can look after that. It's no idea to start a business based on new products, let's say, your own design, let's say, what it is, and not being able to market and sell it, even if everything is perfect, because this is not what you like to deal with. So you must be enthusiastic about marketing and about selling, and you must put a lot of energy on this side. And you do it parallel to you develop your business idea, so you can plan how you can sell enough to make enough money. Hi, thank you for watching this film. We have more information on our web pages and courses and other things, so please be welcome to follow us in the future.